Okay, so I have talked to pretrial in regards to the violations as to tampering with the SCRAM.
You need a translator anyway, right?
I guess
Vicky
so.
Ramirez?
Yes. So, pretrial doesn't know exactly what was tampered with. He does work in construction. He wears boots, he wears socks. He does suffer from this condition called neuropathy, where he has to put like this cream on here. He says that SCRAM actually has been.
Quick breakdown for everyone: a SCRAM device is an ankle monitor that checks alcohol levels through your skin. If the court thinks you tampered with it, that's a big deal. The judge isn't just worried about excuses, he's looking for evidence of actual alcohol use. What do you think? Genuine medical issue or a sneaky attempt to beat the system?
Causing him a lot of pain on his leg, so sometimes he shifts it to put the lotion or moves it. But since it was in the morning, he said it was probably like when he was at work with the boots. But there was no like BAC, no alcohol, nothing. It was just
Because a
tampering.
lot of times the way they do it, they tamper with it so that alcohol can't be detected. They'll put something in between the leg and the monitor to, evade. This is Enrique Ramirez.
This was,
A lot of times they'll say the tamper was
10 hours off the skin? That's not a quick adjustment, that's practically a work shift. The judge's face says it all. This isn't just a glitch, this looks like deliberate tampering. If you were the judge, would you buy this excuse?
from midnight to like 6 a.m, so that we know that there was something in between the leg or they've done something for that length of time. I don't know.
See the first one.
And it says
began
alcohol was
at
detected.
On March 1st at 4:32 a.m., returned to baseline at 2:40 p.m. That tamper was 10 hours and 8 minutes.
Come up, Mr. Ramirez.
I don't see the second one. I see the one on the first.
Tengo que te estás, que tienes alcohol en tu sistema y que estás fallando con la máquina también. No, sorry. La máquina me dice otra cosa. I don't know what to tell you, Ms. Solis, but
oh, I mean, pretrial doesn't have knowledge as far as like what was the tampering. I mean,
they can't. It's impossible.
I know that, Judge.
All we know is that the device is not detecting his skin for a certain period of time, and at the same time, alcohol is detected.
¿Dónde estabas el día primero y el día 8?
So let's do this. I need to get a translate here so I can properly translate and let him know what I'm going to. Oh, Plaza.
Yes.
Can I borrow you for a second, please? No, I just need you to help me translate.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Ramirez. You were instructed not to tamper or remove the device. We have 2 tamper events here, where on March 1st at 6:33 a.m. and the second one on March 10th of 2025 at 11 a.m. Alcohol was detected on the first event. Alcohol was not detected during the second tamper event. That's what I have. We need to do something with this case. It's 207 days old and he's now tampering with the device. So
I know, Judge. I mean, we're ready for plea today, but.
you're tampering with the device.
So here's where it lands: not just tampering, but alcohol detected too. That's a double violation, which makes it almost impossible for the defense to argue this away. The judge is out of patience, and you can feel the tension building. Stick around, because the next move could decide whether Ramirez walks out or gets locked up immediately.
You're consuming alcohol. Told you not to. Let's do this. I'll send it for a drug and alcohol test right now and he'll.
Okay, Judge, yeah, because he has no status. If he goes in custody, he will get a nice hold.
I have admonished you ad nauseum not to violate conditions. Because if you go to jail, there will be serious consequences. And we now have tamper events and a positive alcohol rating. I am now going to send you for an alcohol and drug test right now. I want to know what, if anything, that you will test positive and you're to come right back. And we'll see.
Yeah, because he does say, he does use the creams on his arms and hands, so it doesn't have a BAC level or anything in regards to the SCRAM, so.
Advised of.
I understand, Judge, I understand.
All I know is that alcohol was detected and he's tampering with the device.
Okay, all right, Judge. All right, well, so I'll step out and then, okay, thank you.
What's up, man?
I'm here for Ricardo. He just said he just wanted to
Ricardo.
approach for an admonishment. So
Kim is here.
Oh, Dave's there. Okay. Hey, Dave. Sorry. Sorry, man. I've been in different courts.
okay. I mean, if it's just for an admonishment, then I can just sit here. Like if it was something contested, it'd be different. But it's just literally it was the judge. It was the one we approached on Monday for the remand, and it's just I guess telling him about.
Do you want me to bring him out?
Yeah, let's bring him out. Can we bring out Mr. Joshua Sweat? Because I did want to talk about the reason why they're asking for an extension. And I talked to the client and I need to bring this up. So,
Not happy?
well, it's part of it. And I think you're saying that he's medically unfit to be transferred. I think that's the reason that.
Right. So I mean, in plain speak, he's detoxing, and medical needs to figure out when they're finished with that before they can even Louisiana can even initiate the transfer. That's the issue, is they can't even tell when they're coming because he's not cleared yet for transport, ironically. So yeah.
So that's something that I want to address with client being here. Yeah, and sorry, I waited till the end on this, Judge, but I've been